चलो
it's the glitter green one. It's the glitter. But I still like it. Glittery.
So what about you?
Mommy, can you open it, please?
You try it. Do by self.
I can't open it.
Say to Hora. Hora can do
Holly,
it.
can you help me? Help. Oh, you're at the phone. Wow. How do you want it? No, but I don't want it. But look at all the. How do get your pink Caesar? Oh, it's like a needle. It's so hard. And I also kind of like it. Kind of like it. So today I have to walk slowly, not really fast. I don't like it, but I still like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like the color.
Yesterday you spent our money on dumpling. Today you spend our money on the dumpling,
But
and
I
you
still
don't.
like it.
Okay.
I'm not
So why you are confused by mine?
It's glittery.
Sometimes you're saying yes, sometimes you're saying no.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't open it. Oh! I can't open it. Yeah, I'm good. It's like a needle. I think it's a needle dumpling. Blue! Yes! Blue's my favorite. Mom, hey, can I squish yours? I got a glitter one! Can I squish yours? Yours so... Mine is so hard. Oh, how? You got blue like Daddy's favorite color. So today I have to be like Daddy's friend. Can I touch yours? Can I touch yours? Wow, you're so satisfying. You're so satisfying too. Oh, mine is like a needle. Yeah. So squishy. Wow. Yes, I got it. The glitter. I got this one too. I love it. It's glitter. So you can't go. Whoa, I love it. Ah! I'm so excited. I got it. I like it. Let me play. Tomorrow, can we buy more?
No,
Not expensive one.
no, it's too much expensive. You spend a lot of money on it. Every day one.
Will it
Yes,
be big?
you popped yesterday one, right?